What is AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without managing servers. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that allows users to run their code without the need to provision or manage servers. With Lambda, users can upload their code in the form of functions, and AWS takes care of the infrastructure required to run those functions. Lambda functions are triggered by events, such as changes in data in an Amazon S3 bucket or updates to a Dynamod table. When an event occurs, Lambda runs the function and returns the result. This makes it easy to build scalable and event-driven applications without having to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure. Lambda supports a variety of programming languages, including Node.js, Python, Java, Go, Ruby, and C#, and provides a range of features such as versioning, monitoring, and logging. It also integrates with other AWS services, such as Amazon S3, Dynamod, and API Gateway, allowing users to build complex applications that can process data in real time. Overall, AWS Lambda provides a powerful and cost-effective way to build scalable and event-driven applications without having to manage servers. With Lambda, users can focus on writing their code and let AWS take care of the rest.